So, what does taking creatine for 100 days does to your body? And the answer is a lot of things. So, before we get into the video, my name is Apur Agarwal and I post videos related to fitness, fashion, and a lot of other stuff. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have been working out for a while now and I have been able to change my physique a lot. And I just want to help you guys as well. Watch this video till the end and I'm pretty sure all your doubts related to this particular topic will go away. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. So what is creatine? Creatine is an organic compound which is already found in your body. It is also present in different food items like chicken, fish and eggs. When you exercise, you use your primary source of energy which is known as ATP. Creatine basically helps your body to produce more of ATP. So how much creatine you should take? There's this thing which is really popular on the internet which is known as loading phase. You take 20 grams of creatine for the first few days and then reduce it over time. Let me tell you, this is completely false. You don't really need any loading phase at all. All you need to do is take 5 grams of creatine every single day. When you open your box of creatine, there will be a tiny spoon in it. Now, when you measure that is only 3 grams. So, you need to take 1.5 spoon of that every single day, which is basically 5 grams. Now, how should you take creatine? It really doesn't matter with what you take it with. You can take it in a glass filled with water and just mix it up. You can take it with your protein. You can take it with your bowl full of oats. It really doesn't matter. Also, the time at which you should take it also doesn't matter. You can take it in the morning, before your workout, after your workout. All you need to do is take 5 grams of it at any possible time. Just remember to not skip any days in between. It is important to take creatine consistently. Now, the big question, what it did to me. So when I started taking creatine consistently, my strength increased a lot. My bench increased, my squat increased, my muscles started to look more full. Now, why does it happen? When you take creatine, it increases the production of ATP in your body, which in turn increases your strength at the gym. When your energy increases, the reps you do at the gym also increases. If you are able to lift, for example, 80 kgs on the bench for 10 reps, then creatine will help you lift that 11th rep. More energy is equal to more reps is equal to more muscle growth. It's that simple. When you are lifting more weight in the gym, it means that your strength is increasing, and increased strength means that your muscle will also increase. Now, its side effects. There are so many theories on the internet that it causes hair loss, kidney failure, etc, etc. Guys, chill. Creatine is literally the most researched supplement in the world. It's really safe. You don't need to be hesitant about it. I took it for a really long time. Nothing happened and nothing never will. Just remember, there are a lot of creatines in the market, but creatine monohydrate is the best one. It's the most researched one and also the one which have shown the best results. Also, it is the cheapest supplement out there. Major issue which a lot of guys face is that supplements are costly, but creatine isn't. 250 grams of creatine will cost you around 500 rupees and that will work for you for at least 2 months. So what else do you want, man? Don't think about it, don't stress it. Just go and buy it and upgrade your physique. So in short, it's safe, it's effective. There's no side effect at all. Just remember to drink adequate amount of water while you are on creatine. I mean, if your diet is on point, you really don't need to worry about anything. If you have any doubt, just make sure to DM me on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff over there as well. If you are looking to start your own fitness journey and are confused about what foods you should eat, what workout you should do, then just DM me on Instagram. I'll be happy to help. Also, make sure to check out my previous video I made on how to grow your traps. It's a sick one. Also share it with your friends. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.